guys, so today I'm going to do a review video for this product. It's from She Modern and these are the foil nail arts. I've done some other videos for them before, so feel free to check them out. So when you order your chosen arts, you can pick what colour the foil is. So as you can see, these ones are purple, and you can also choose different options. This is Flowers 2. Now, along with your actual stickers that you've ordered, you get a couple of extras as well. So in here, you have a random extra assortment of stencils, stickers, and as you can see, these are ladybugs. You get the mixing palette, which is very handy for storing and creating your stickers, as well as putting excess polish on. And in here you've got a thin, flexible, reusable stencil. So you can get the smile line, the curved line, wavy or a straight line as well. So they come as extras in the pack. So the art that you choose will come sandwiched in between a black piece of card and clear film. You will also have this piece of photo paper. So as you can see, it's got a glossy side. This is where you can stick and store any stickers that you make ahead of time. And when you're finished using your art, just make sure that you're storing it back between these as well. So what I'm going to do is I have here a gel polish nail. I've done 2 coats of colour and allowed it to dry. And now over the top I'm just going to put some nail foil adhesive. I'm going to allow that to completely dry. So now the glue has had time to dry, it just looks like the gel polish nail again. So what I'm going to do is cut a line of these stickers. I'm going to go for the smaller ones. Now I'm going to cut off this purple bit on the end because it will stick to the nail if I don't. And I'm also just going to trim this bottom bit because I don't want any of this writing to stick to the nail either. So as you can see, these are really thin and flexible. Now when I place this over the nail, it should stick to it. Now I'm going to gently press down. I'm making sure not to push on any other part of the nail because remember that still has the glue on it. And pull off there, and as you can see, the sticker has attached itself to the nail. So I'm just going to do another one further down. So I managed to be much more gentle pulling off that second one, so as you can see I have got much clearer and crisp image placement. I'm just going to do one more at the bottom of the nail. So next what we're going to have to do is apply our top coat and then cure that under the LED or UV light. So that's now finished curing in the lamp. I'm just removing the tacky layer. And as you can see, that was really simple to apply. I definitely got some clear image placement. That one just towards the end, I suddenly pulled it a little bit faster than I should have, so I did lose a slight bit of the image in the end. But as you can see, my other two came out perfectly. So I'll leave the link down below to where you can find everything that they have in store to offer. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.